most interesting, most amazing thing is memorizing the number, because that is, they cannot even imagine. She can reproduce 20-digit number with one reading. Can anyone do that? I am talking not about your group. I am talking about the others who do not know anything about it. And see Harry Lorraine again, I am repeating that. Harry Lorraine has given only 20-digit number how to memorize. Beyond that he cannot go also. And it cannot be done also. Nothing else. About what? Memorizing? Yeah, share them. Yeah, no problem.
Friends, initially it was
You are
very
able
difficult.
to learn something. That's welcome.
Yeah, initially it was very difficult for me also to grapple with the numbers and all, but I followed a different method, and without saying what I went into, that will confuse you people. What I will try to do is to put all these numbers into context without referring to anything. So maybe I'll make an attempt, and then if you're happy with it, I can share with you what I have done.
What is that?
I'm going to reproduce numbers.
This number. Okay.
Without looking.
Okay, no problem. That's a motivation for you again. Many people can do it also.
99, 44, 19, 01, 70, 17, 100, 11, 66, 23, 24, 10, 38, 18, 41, 89, 16, 17, 12, 98, 87, 25, 09, 12, 00, 30, 08, 26, 14, 59, 50, 91, 07, 32, 65, 6, 27, 79, 13, 41, 04, 28, 12, 05, 36, 60, 03, 72, 29.
Okay, no. Very good.
Maybe the methods I share maybe
Yeah, you know.
confuse you.
These are
Tell me a method.
beneficial to people.
Okay.
That is why I am afraid.
First of all, what I did is taking cue from what I had said yesterday. I used my laptop to get the random numbers for practicing. That gave me a strong base because half my effort was reduced. The numbers were already coming at random, and all I had to do was I was having a spreadsheet before me, and I just had to think of the object or the person with whom I had connected that. It was that much faster for me. So maybe the 6-minute thing that Dr. Xavier is saving, maybe it took me like 2-3 minutes to do. Number two is I took the kind of advice from Dr. Xavier, and I've started getting up at 4:30 or 5 in the morning. Just for 15-20 minutes I calm up my mind, which I've always been doing even otherwise. When I used to study for my CA, I used to get up at 4, but off late it was not happening. So I took this cue and I started getting up at 4:35 and meditated for 15-20 minutes. And that was the time when the 100 memory filing system, I remembered again without the use of computer, because that's the best time of the day when it's even better than the sacred place, I would say, because that is the time when there's absolute silence around you. One more thing I did is, without trying to go to all the 100 files at one go, I have broken down like Amin suggested for the first time, take 10 files. And then what I've tried to do is to use alphabets. I wouldn't connect this with the story as suggested by Mr. Chandru, but what I have done is, because these are alphabets, today if you say A for apple, B for ball, C for cat is something that comes to our mind very easily. We don't have to make a story to remember this. So all that I've done during the last 2 weeks is to, the alphabet changing with the object. A for this one. So I don't have to remember a story because it goes itself in a sequence. And I've practiced a bit. So a combination of all these things, it's nothing different from what he has done. It's just that I have taken bits and pieces from where it applies to me. And each one of us is different individually. Maybe if we strongly try to take only by the way that Dr. Xavier has suggested, it may not appeal to all of us individually, because everyone has a different perception, different way of thinking. Now, I didn't want to come here, stand before all of you and boast about, what I can do. But this is something when even, I am also of the same view. If most of us are able to do it, that will be the best solace for me also. So I'm just trying to say that I'm a very busy person. I go to the institute, a lot of things. Despite all this, if I can do that with my practice, I'm sure each one of us can do it for the benefit of all.
More than memorizing the number, I appreciate his communicative ability.